Hi everyone, welcome to another wonderful and interesting video tutorial. I'll be showing you how to create or design a simple ebook cover here in CorelDraw. Okay, like I always say, it's very simple and very easy to do. Alright, so before we begin, if this is your first time visiting my channel, do have to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you're an active subscriber, thank you for always commenting and liking our videos. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create or design a simple ebook cover here in CorelDraw. Alright, so let's start. Alright, this is the interface for the CorelDraw 2020, the software I'll be using here. Okay, so let's create a new document. So we'll give it a name here, how to design an ebook cover. Alright, so the preset to be set to custom, pages 1. Okay, then the unit to be used should be inches, so resolution 300 dpi, and I think everything is okay. And again, if you can't find this create new document dialog box here, I have a video on how to retrieve it back, so you can check that in the description below. So let's click on OK. Alright, so we've created a new document, so we have to bring the files we'll be making use of, the resources we'll be making use of. Though I have my write-up here written on MS Word here, so we won't waste much of our time. And so this will be the resource we'll be using here. So I have to just copy this, then paste here, Ctrl V or just paste, whichever one. Okay, so what to do here now is we already have our size, so just draw a box here. So our unit is already set to inches. Then we'll take our size first. Our size will be 6 by 9 inches, 6 in width, then 9 in length. Okay, yeah, 6 by 9. Then you click on enter. So in this tutorial I'll be creating a front book cover and a spine, because it's an ebook. So I think that's the most common one people do use, just the front and the spine. So I think without wasting much of our time, let's begin. Okay, I think we'll work on the spine later. Okay, so let's focus on the front cover ebook. Okay, so we have before we proceed, we have to first of all create our border line. It's very necessary. I think it should be 0.15 inch, 0.15 inch by 0.15 inch, and click on enter. Alright, then we'll make use of so we have to spread it here, click on it, then R to the right hand side of the ebook here, and click on this, then hold on shift and click on the outline we drew here, then T, then C. Alright, let me undo that, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Okay, set T for top, then C for center. Then you pick this again, duplicate this, Ctrl D, or you drag and right click to drop. Alright, so click on it, then hold on shift, click on this big shape here, then B for bottom, then C to align. Okay, then you make use of the guidelines here. Alright, so these are your border lines. Your design shouldn't exceed any design you should be doing with, should be within the frame, should be within this frame. Alright, so okay, do same for this. So it's good to always zoom to get a clearer view of what you are doing. Okay, to duplicate this is same thing, drag, then right click to duplicate, then you adjust. Okay, yeah, so I think okay, let's create border here too. It's very necessary. It makes your work looks very professional and very aligned, so you won't make much mistakes. So I think we can do away with this now, since we've achieved what we want now. Okay, so the colors we're making use of here are, these are standard WhatsApp colors here we're making use of here. So to get the color code for this WhatsApp, to get this WhatsApp color code, I have a video on how to make use of them. In case you have them and you don't know how to make use of color codes or achieve color code, I have a video. I'll be attaching the link in the description below, so you can check it out later. Okay, so first of all, make use of our eyedropper tool here. Then we'll pick this color, then click, then you drop here. So then we'll move the outline, right click here, or go to this area here, then none, whichever one you prefer. Let's undo that. So none, so the outline is out now. As you can see, our work is aligned now. So let's fit to page. Alright, so make use of this resource, this element here, page up. Alright, so click on this, then hold on shift, press C to align to the center. Okay, then we'll drag, hold on shift to drag uniformly. Then we make use of our drop shadow here. Then you drag, let's drag to the bottom here. So adjust. I think it's okay now. Okay, so let's shift this one now. So make use of our interactive fill tool here. So hold on shift, then drag down, then alright, then make use of this eyedropper, color eyedropper, then we'll pick on this. Okay, I think the color has been affected now. Okay, so we can adjust, but I think this is fine now. Alright, so we'll bring this here, and hold on shift, hold on control, sorry, then to maintain the alignment here, then hold on shift, then click on this the ebook here, then C to fit to center. Alright, so let's bring in our write up here, the title of the ebook. Let's copy. Alright, so then we'll paste here, then okay. Alright, then we'll change the font to Bebas, and let's make it 100% RGB black. Alright, so this will be the title for the ebook, how to start a WhatsApp TV and make at least 50,000 monthly. Alright, so we have to break this apart. How to start, okay, and enter WhatsApp TV, then you enter, yeah, and make at least, then enter 50,000 monthly. Alright, so then center, and you drag. Let's undo that, sorry. So I think we'll break this Ctrl K. Alright, so let's drag this. Now we'll change the color to white. So I think white is a universal color. So then Ctrl G, let's group this, then hold on Shift, then C, center to fit to center. Alright, so I think we'll break this now. Let's ungroup this, Ctrl U, or here, whichever one, or you go to this area, Ctrl U, or click here, which one, anyone you prefer. Okay, so I think we'll increase the size, so we'll reduce the size of this, let's say to 24. Alright, so increase this to, let's say 100. Okay, that is much. Let's say 48. Alright, so let's take this down. Okay, I think this one should be big again, should be big a bit. I think it should be aligned with this. Then you drag. Alright, and okay, this one should be as big as this too. And there should be spacing. You don't have to worry about that. I'll show you how to make all of them have the same space. Alright, so drag. Alright, then highlight everything here, then press C. So as you can see, they are all aligned now. Then as for the spacing, let's drag this down. Let's drag this down. Alright, then you highlight them, then you go to alignment and distribute. The shortcut key is let's cancel it first, Control Shift plus A, and this area appears here now. So then you align, distribute center vertically. As you can see, the text has been arranged. Let's undo that. Let me zoom so that you can get a clearer view. This is it. Distribute center vertically. As you can see, they are all aligned. Okay, I think we're making progress. Okay, so we'll highlight this, then also work on the size, increase the size too. And we shouldn't forget our border line. Our design shouldn't exceed this, so it's very necessary. Then you group them, Ctrl G, hold on Shift C. Yeah, so let's bring this down a bit. Don't forget to always make your design align to the center. Yeah. Okay, I think we're done with the title. How to start a WhatsApp TV and make at least 50,000 monthly. Okay, when design is always advisable to always check for spelling errors to avoid delivering a work that is not okay. So let's work on the author's name now. So let's copy. Alright, okay, then we'll paste it here. Right click, then you paste, or Ctrl V, whichever one. Okay, we'll use same font, Beavers, and change the color to white. Then let's make use of a rectangle to draw a rectangle here. Alright, so I think we'll pick a color from here. Let's use a color eyedropper to pick a color, then you give it. Okay, let's highlight all our text here, then go to objects, then order front of page. Okay, I think we can work on the size too. Alright, then hold on, click on the text, then click on this object we just created here, then C and E. Alright, so let's move the outline here. Let's click, then highlight everything here. But for that, let's increase it again. Highlight everything, Ctrl G, then we'll make use of our drop shadow tool. Let's make a drop shadow here. Alright, so you can see our work is coming out very fine. And we shouldn't forget our borderline. Our design shouldn't exceed our borderline. I think we're making progress. We're not going against the rule created. Alright, so let's increase this a bit now. Then click on it, hold on shift, click on the ebook here, then press on C. Yeah, it's aligned to the center. As you can see, guys, we are done with the ebook, the front ebook cover here. So now I think we should work on the spine now. Okay, so the easy way to do that is let's select the cover here. Then I think the size for the ebook spine should be, the width should be 0.4 by the total length of the ebook cover, which is 9 inches. So I think it should be 0.4 should be here, 0.4. I click on enter. Alright, so we need to have a text here. Alright, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, let's copy this. Copy. Then you paste. Click on the shape tool here, on the text tool here. Then you paste, Ctrl V, whichever one. Click on OK. Alright, so you change the font to Bebas, the colors to white. Alright, okay, let's change it to black first, then later we'll change it to white. Alright, so I do find it or I do notice that people find it hard knowing how to place the text on the spine, so I'll be explaining it to you now. Alright, so it's very easy. Click on the text, then hold on shift, then you drag to your right until you form an angle of 270 degrees. Alright, then you bring it here, click, hold on this. Once this is selected, hold on shift, then C and E. Alright, then you drag, hold on shift to drag uniformly until you are satisfied with it. Okay, I think we should leave it at 20 is fine, then enter, and we'll change the color now. Then C and E. I think this is okay. I think this is okay. Yeah, so we highlight all this, so select all this. I think we are done. Our front ebook cover and the spine too. I think that's it for this video. Okay, that is it on how to design a simple ebook cover here in CorelDraw. Like I always say, it's very simple and very easy to do. I'll be attaching the source file of this design in the description, so you can download and make use of it, and maybe or probably you can send to me to see what you've achieved with it. Okay, the font I used was Bebas, and if you have any question, you can reach me out in the comment section, so I'll be glad to help. Okay, if you found this video helpful, do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos, and don't forget to like, share and comment on our videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video tutorial.